My name is Lee Taylor, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of REsurety, and my job here is primarily to set the corporate vision for the company, what we want to accomplish, and then building and supporting the team to accomplish it.
And I'm Devon Lukas. I am a risk and transaction analyst at REsurety. So what is REsurety's mission?
REsurety's mission is to empower the clean energy fueled future. In particular, we aspire to build the analytics engine that really supports that energy transition.
And what about REsurety makes it unique?
I think there's a lot of things that make REsurety unique, but first and foremost, I think it's the interdisciplinary capabilities of our team and our products. And so we start with raw hard science, atmospheric science, power market modeling, but then that combines with financial expertise and project expertise and engineering capabilities, translate those rigorous capabilities into really useful and accessible products and services for the clean energy industry.
So what kinds of customers does REsurety work with?
REsurety's customers start with anybody who's building clean energy infrastructure to sell clean electrons, or anybody who's buying that power. And so that's the starting point. And then there's also this whole ecosystem of groups supporting those groups. And these are hedge providers and investment banks and consultants. But it all comes back to increasing the amount of clean electrons that are being bought and sold on the grid.
What kinds of problems does REsurety solve for them?
REsurety solves a lot of different specific problems, but they have in common that we support data-driven workflows of the industry. And so clean energy is an incredibly data-intensive industry, and a lot of times the data you need doesn't exist, or it doesn't exist in the way you need to work with it, and so we solve those challenges. And that can be anything from energy storage developers who are looking for the data needed to calculate the carbon impact of their dispatch decisions, which can either increase or decrease carbon depending on the decisions that they make. And it wasn't possible to quantify that before the locational marginal emission product that we created. Similarly, if you're looking to lock in the revenue or lock in the cost of buying or selling renewable energy, we provide valuation and risk analytics to hedge providers who are looking to offer products to mitigate risk for those buyers and sellers of clean energy.
How does REsurety measure success?
REsurety measures success first in our own growth, right? So as a company, we have big aspirations for what we can accomplish, but our growth and our success we view as very much necessary and not sufficient. So we have a lot of goals around our impact on the industry. How do we enable our customers to do their jobs better, faster, cheaper, with the end result of that being that the clean energy transition happens faster. We think there's an imperative to transition the energy system away from fossil fuels towards clean energy, and so we have very high expectations for our contribution to that transition.